Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oatmeal cookie dough. First, let's start with our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened unsalted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract until everything is well combined. This forms the delicious base for our cookies. Now, in a separate medium-sized bowl, we'll combine all our dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For that classic oatmeal cookie taste, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mixing these separately ensures that all the leavening agents and spices are evenly distributed throughout the dough. It's time to bring our wet and dry ingredients together. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. It's really important not to overmix the dough, as this can lead to tough cookies. Once the flour streaks are almost gone, gently fold in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. For an extra treat, you can stir in 1 cup of your favorite additions, like chocolate chips, raisins, or chopped walnuts. Once your dough is complete, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps the flavors meld, prevents the cookies from spreading too much during baking, and results in a perfectly chewy texture. Enjoy your delicious homemade oatmeal cookie dough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.